Regular maintenance of a vehicle's power steering fluid and system components is a recommended service schedule. Not maintaining the power steering system can result in premature wear, pump noise, hardening of seals, and component failure. Properly servicing a power steering system is made easy with the Service Pro SP9902 two-step power steering fluid tune-up kit. Service Pro's SP9902 two-step power steering fluid tune-up kit provides for the removal of old fluid and contaminants from the entire power steering system. The system is then filled with new fluid along with a supplement conditioner that improves the durability and enhances performance. The first step in the service is to locate the power steering fluid reservoir. Visually inspect the vehicle's power steering fluid for the presence of contaminants. A fluid test kit may be used. If necessary, remove enough of the existing fluid to allow the addition of the 12-ounce Service Pro SP9210 power steering fluid sealer and conditioner. Replace the reservoir cap, then start the vehicle's engine. With the engine running at idle, turn the steering wheel from lock to lock in each direction multiple times. This action allows the chemical to disperse and suspend contaminants for optimal removal during fluid exchange. The second step is to use a fluid exchange machine. Connect the exchange machine to the battery and insert the tube into the power steering reservoir. Remove the existing power steering fluid from the reservoir and add new Service Pro SP9264 power steering fluid until the full level is reached. Start the vehicle, run at idle, and again turn the steering wheel fully from lock to lock positions. Doing so will pump the fluid throughout the system. Repeat this process several times, removing old fluid and adding new power steering fluid provided in the Service Pro SP9902 Power Steering Fluid Tune-Up Kit. The process is complete when all new fluid is installed. Disconnect the fluid exchange machine and do a final test drive of the vehicle to ensure proper steering after service. Check the fluid level after the test drive, adding additional fluid if needed. In summary, regular maintenance using the Service Pro SP9902 Power Steering Fluid Tune-Up Kit will improve steering performance at all temperatures, protect internal components, and condition seals.